Hi, I'm Aaron from Brisbane Yamaha, and today you're in our detailing bay because I've got a very special boat. I've got a customer, Mr. Ravel. He's had lots of boats and he's got a bit of a space in his garage, so he couldn't go over a length, which meant he had to have a 510. Well, he went everywhere because he had things like Minn Kotas and big sounds. He wants to go offshore and he chases pelagics. Well, he came in and he saw one of my salesmen, Stuart Schofield. Stu's an expert offshore, spent a lot of time fishing. And come and have a look at this. We put a bow plate on it. Have a look under there, look at the welding. Now Stuart Schofield will come up with it. You wouldn't know, this is a factory option that we've just done on it. And this is a self-deploy Minn Kota to rover. So what does that mean? That means you just push a button, the thing comes out, drops down in. Now what you do is, it's very simple. Minn Kotas now, I'll tell you, have a look at this. Are you watching that, Dan? Now you imagine, you've come out here, you've gone over a reef, you've got a 12-inch sounder in it, you've seen some fish, you want to anchor, bam, you push the button, out it goes and deploys. Look at it turning on and off, move forward, and with the spot lock, it is so easy. I've told you 100 times, it's a new age of fishing, you catch more, the wind moves you, you just move across, very simple. Now let's get it going back up. Look at that. This is just, the new world's fantastic, and these things last. Minn Kota, you can buy other brands. If you want to buy Motor Guide, well, don't say I didn't warn you when it breaks down, okay? And if you buy some Chinese thing, well, I won't even trade them because they never work. And we've got the catch and release, so it's single-handed. And I tell you, single-handed on a 510, this boat's very capable, because while you're down there, we might as well look at that blade hull. You know, I haven't seen it in a long time, and this boat's getting in detail. You can see Michael putting custom Rego plate stickers on it, and you can see this shape. You know, it looks like fiberglass, and they're the only ones that can make that shape, and that's why they slice through, push the waves out, they ride on confused water under here, so the rougher it gets, the smoother, and that's why Quintrex, people with the Quintrex, they don't know boats bang. They don't know you get wet, right? It's not until you go into another brand that you know that an aluminium boat can bang your back teeth out. Come up here, Dan. We put a little bit of here, because a little bit of rubber there. Now this has got a storm cover on it. Now what happens with a storm cover? It's awesome for storage. Awesome for keeping them cats out of your boat. You ever wondered how to do that? This'll do it. And it's all clipped in, all KYY, highest quality. And then they've wanted a great big shade out the back, right? You can get through to the rocket launcher. Now this is another thing. Oh my God, look, 510, what we've gone with hydraulic steer because we've put one of Yamaha's famous 115s. You know I love them. Dan will put up the specs with the 115, hydraulic, and I want to show you this. I'll come up these wonderful steps through this fantastic heavy transom door. I've got a bait board, have I? Or have I got a ski pole? I've got whatever I want. It's ingenious little invention from Telwater that. Only Quintrex have got it. Look at it, just locks in there. Skiing one day, fishing the other. Let's have a look in the side here. Because this is the top of the range. Have a look, you've got deck wash. We've got the clear bowl. We've got some of Brisbane Yamaha's famous wiring. I tell you, we're getting a name as the greatest boat fitters that Australia's ever seen. And so we should, because I do have the best. 95 litre fuel tank with a 115, bolster seats. Oh, what have we got here? Look, beautiful fuses. Have a look at the size of this sounder. You'd near on fry the fish coming through. HDS 12. Now that's a good thing, isn't it? Straight from the factory, you've got a stereo there. We've got, look, we've got a bypass there for the Minn Kota. You know, if something happens and it trips. And then I was gonna show you, we got bunk-in fills so we could sit up here and I can walk through if I want to get to the anchor, if I want to fish, if I want to stand back and look at the family and just, solid, good windscreens, great trim. You know, have a good look around. Because a lot of people think you need a way bigger boat than this to go offshore. We live in Queensland. This is a 510. If you run it, then it's way bigger than most brand 510s. You know, you run across the Tangalooma, spend the weekend on sand dunes with the family, head out off the Cape and go fishing out to Deep Tempest. Next day you're out at Somerset water skiing. What could be a more practical boat? Absolute fantastic. Glove boxes, USBs, This thing's got the lot, even storage, you know? Anywhere where you can get standard on it. Anywhere, look at that, batteries. I should have showed you that, poly-moulded. Couple of great big AGM batteries under there. What's this here, so you can see? You know, kill tank there for storage. It's just the Quintrex scuppers. I'm telling you, boat cleaning gear. Now, this is a 510, and this is the best 510 I've ever seen. If you've got a dream and you want to buy a dream boat, you want to build a dream boat and be involved with it, you better call the team at Brisbane Yamaha. It starts with our fantastic salespeople. Call Stewie. He'll put you, so we'll do the deal, you'll love it, and we'll put you in touch with the workshop. We'll go over everything. Maybe you'll talk to Lawrence, our electronics expert. We'll even do tuition. We can even give you a boat license. Yep, from woe to go, Brisbane Yamaha. And I hope I'll see you on the water. Bye for now.